Lovable is a powerful AI app builder that can build lots of different things, but today we're going to be focusing on one thing that Lovable does really well, and that's building landing pages. I'm going to be building a landing page for a product that I'm working on called VibeScan. The first thing you're going to want to do before you even type your first prompt to Lovable is figure out exactly what you want on your landing page. So I recommend that you ask ChatGPT about the different sections that make sense. And here's a layout that I have come up with that makes a lot of sense for me. Now, once you know the sections that you're going to have, you're going to need to figure out all of your landing page copy. And that's going to be very specific to your business. I've spent some time putting together the landing page copy for my landing page, including headline, subheadline, all the different sections, the benefits that you get from the product, pricing, FAQ, etc. You're going to want to spend some time on this because ultimately this is what's going to convert visitors into paying users. Also, by preparing the landing page copy up front, you're able to validate that everything makes sense and you take the load off of Lovable to try to figure it out on the fly. Now, once you've got all of your landing page copy, the next thing you're going to want to do is come up with a design guide. This is going to help Lovable figure out the colors it should use, how it should transition from different sections, and the overall vibe that you want the landing page to have. I just had a back and forth with Claude where I described my general vision and included all of my landing page copy, and I was able to come up with this design guide. So now I have the two main ingredients for making my Lovable landing page. So what I'm going to do is go over to Lovable, and I'm just going to say, please create a landing page with the following copy and following the design guide below. Then I'm just going to paste all of my copy, and I'll add another section here, and I'm going to paste my visual design guide. Let's go ahead and submit that prompt, and we'll see what Lovable comes up with. One quick tip, if you really hate what it generates for you, you could just resubmit the same prompt because sometimes the AI just does a better job the second time around. Okay, so Lovable has finished its work, and unfortunately, it looks like I got an error. I'm just going to click this try to fix button, and we'll see if that fixes it. All right, so our initial landing page is ready, and it looks like it's off to a pretty good start. So we got the different sections in here that I was looking for, benefits, got the social proof, and we got the pricing. Now, there are some details that I want to improve. So once this initial version is ready, what I like to do is just go section by section and note all of the things that I would like to get adjusted. Then we'll let Lovable work through that and eventually fine tune the page. So let's go ahead and do that. And I'm just starting at the top here with the hero section. Let me say this. Let's make the following changes. Add a gradient to the words AI code in the headline. Bold and underline the word confidence. Where it says only 47 spots remaining, add a little yellow background and outline to make it feel a little more urgent. Make the main CTA a little bit thicker. Also make it grow a little bit less when I hover over it, but maybe drop a shadow. Change the grid lines to gray. Okay, coming down to the next section, I think it could be a little bit more visual, so let's add that. Actually, I'm gonna say hero section, and then I'll say pain promise section. Use colored icons instead of the colored dots to convey the things that are happening. Add the VibeScan logo and an icon in the fix section, as well as an animated scanning your code. Bold the words no terminal required. Okay, I think I've got my whole list now, so I'm asking for a lot. We'll see how much it gets through, but whatever it doesn't do correctly, we're just going to reprompt. So I'll submit that. Now, since this is a new product and I don't have it fully built out just yet, I also used Lovable to actually help me create a prototype of what it's going to look like. So in a separate chat, I provided Lovable with the whole idea for my app, and I had it create this dashboard, which is ultimately what I want VibeScan to look like. I'm planning to actually take this code and then embed it in my actual landing page so that visitors can see exactly what they're going to get. All right, Lovable has made its changes. Now immediately I see that this should go below the CTA here, but otherwise, it's making some of the changes that I requested. Scrolling down, okay, we got some duplicated icons here. This doesn't look particularly good. but this part looks pretty close to what I was hoping for. And this part looks great. I really like these cards hovering up here. Okay, scrolling down here. I really wanted this text to be on the right of this, so I'm going to need to ask for some further changes. Oh, but this looks pretty nice. I like that. So we're getting closer, and you just got to keep iterating for a little bit. It's not going to be perfect, and you just got to be patient. So let me create a new set of changes, and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, there we go. This got fixed. Looking down here, this looks a lot cleaner. This looks like we can click it, and this looks a lot better. So now we've narrowed it down significantly and gotten it much closer to the vision that I had. I'm just going to make a couple more tweaks. Okay, so after a few more tweaks, this is what it looks like, and I'm pretty happy with it. It all flows pretty well. We got the founding member pass. Things are clear. We're emphasizing this plan. This looks all neat. So now I'm going to actually upload some images that are going to fill this out. And the cool thing about Lovable is you can actually just upload your files directly to the chat and it will host those files for you. So you don't have to find some other place to host them. So I'm just going to go down here and attach. I'll find a picture of myself. Then I'll also attach a logo of VibeScan. And I'll just say, here's an image of me and the VibeScan logo. Please incorporate them into the landing page. Okay, there we go. Now we got my image here and we got the proper VibeScan logo. Okay, now I'm going to actually get this dashboard mockup in here. And like I said, I actually used Lovable to create this mockup. And now what I'm going to do is actually go to this thing over here, go to code mode, and we're going to be able to see all of the actual code that it used to create this dashboard. Now just looking through the code here, I'm pretty sure it's this one right here, VibeScan dashboard. So I'm going to take all of this code and I'll go back to my landing page and I'll say this. I have separately developed the dashboard mockup and here is the code that we can use. And then I'll put these little ticks, paste the code, and let's see what happens. Okay, hey, take a look at that. It is looking pretty good. I think there are a few things we can improve about some of the spacing here, but overall, it was able to incorporate this dashboard right into here. Let me make a few quick adjustments. Okay, cool. Lovable added this nice little header, which I think looks great, but we're still seeing some of these alignment issues. So I'm going to see if I can actually manually change these, because Lovable also has a manual edit mode where you can actually take a look at these various pieces and then modify specific properties about them. Now you don't even need to adjust all of these different aspects. You can just point to the right location and then explain what changes you need. So here I'm just going to say this should align left. Okay, so unfortunately that change didn't work, but I'll keep messing around with it and see if I can figure it out. But another thing you can do with this edit is actually change the text content on your page. So in here, I'm just going to select this text, and in here I'm just going to change the URL to app.vibescan.io/dashboard. That's what I actually want it to be. And then I can go ahead and save that change. Here, I'll try to ask it to align these to the left again. It does help if you have some basic CSS and HTML knowledge, because then you'll be able to instruct Lovable and any other AI coding tool much more easily. Okay, there we go. That change fixed the alignment over here. So this is the only piece that I need to still figure out. Okay, great. With these changes, I'm pretty happy with how it looks visually. Now, in addition to getting everything just right visually, I also connected my Lovable project to Supabase and Lemon Squeezy so that I could actually capture the emails of the people that signed up. It got a little bit technical and I actually had to export my project and modify it using Cursor. So if you want to learn how to do something like that, check out this related video where I'll show you how to take a project out of Lovable and edit it in something like Cursor. With that being said, let's get the site launched. To finish off the website, I'm going to do two things. First of all, I'm going to go over here to settings and I'm going to hide the Lovable badge. This is going to make it so that when you see the website, It doesn't have a little Lovable logo down here. It just looks like this. And then I'm going to go back to settings and go to domains. And I'm actually going to connect my VibeScan.io domain. Lovable is partnered with Entry, which makes it super easy to actually configure the custom domains regardless of where you have it registered. So I'm just going to do VibeScan.io. It has identified correctly that I'm using Cloudflare, and that's where it's registered. And now I'll authorize it. Great, and that's all it took. So you can pretty much get a domain anywhere and very quickly use it for your Lovable project. And finally, when everything is ready, I'm going to go over here and click the Publish button. There is this Supabase warning, but I've reviewed it and I think it's fine. Now I'm going to go ahead and say Update. Okay, the project has been updated and it looks like VibeScan.io is ready. So if I go here, there's our landing page at VibeScan.io. Now, like I said, VibeScan is a real product that I'm actively working on. It's launching next month. Right now you can get a founding member pass. It's limited to only 50 people, but you can get 50% off for life. And if shipping AI code with confidence appeals to you, and you'd love to have something that scans all of your code for security issues and performance and launch readiness, take a look at VibeScan.io, and I'd love to have you on as a founding member. And if you want to continue your journey learning how to use Lovable and AI coding tools, make sure to check out this next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.